There's just something about coming to work knowing that you're going to get a hop in a helicopter and go out and do something. I mean, people don't get to do that. It is a very big honor that I was chosen to do this, and I'm very grateful for the opportunity.
I love aviation, every part of it, from being up in the air to just being in the aircraft as it's spinning up. There's something about the freedom. I think it's the purest form, being airborne.
My most memorable moment in this aircraft? It's a lot of calls. Been involved in a lot.
I like the adrenaline rush. It's the unknown.
It's a big state. We have limited resources. This multiplies the great resources that we already have in the men and women who are out there dedicated to serve our state. This helps keep them safe, helps them accomplish their mission, and it's an expectation of the public that we provide great service across this state, and sometimes that requires unique assets like air support.
It's nice to see the unit expanding. Anything we can do to make everybody's day a little bit safer and still put bad guys in jail safely, man, I'm all for it. We've combined our tactical flight officer program with the Nebraska State Patrol, and we've got officers from Lincoln Police Department and Lancaster County Sheriff's Office and the Nebraska State Patrol that are all doing the tactical flight officer duties. That helps, expand that cost.
One of the most memorable moments I've had in this aircraft is I had a new TFO. I was the pilot, and we were chasing a known felon, fled from the police, and then 3 people had bailed out on foot, and we were able to stay up in the air long enough to locate and arrest all 3 people.
This is the best job you can get in the industry. Being able to manage my own maintenance here. I'm the sole maintainer for the State Patrol here in Nebraska. Up until this last year, our crew has been very limited. There are some days where we would find ourselves with just one pilot here and myself, so every once in a while they look at me and say, "You want to jump in and go catch a bad guy?" And I say, "Heck yeah, let's do it." So for the first few years here, I was actually jumping in and acting as a TFO on the side.
I gotta admit, even after 26 years of doing that, it's a reinvigoration for me. It's a new skill. It's exciting that I'm actually doing this.
It's really about the people of Nebraska.